Hello dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I want to tell you how to add closed captions or subtitles to a video online. So this is going to be a very easy step-by-step instructions, and let's go. So step number one, you need to have your YouTube account already. You can create it using your Google account or Gmail and upload a video into your YouTube that you want to be captioned. So I will show you a very brief instruction on how to upload a video if you don't know. So you click this button and then you choose your video to be private or public in the privacy section, and then here you click on the arrow and you choose the video that you basically want to upload. That's it. Next, we are going back to my page. Let's click on the button which is called Creator Studio. Now we can see all the videos that I've uploaded. In my case, I want to upload the original one because others are duplicates. I don't know how they how they popped up in here, but okay. So that's the original one. As you can see, there is an edit button, so we click in here, and then we need to click on subtitles CC button. We click on that, and in your case, there's gonna be a new video, right? So in your case, you need to click on the blue button, add new subtitles or CC, and then you will have an option of languages that you would like your video to be captioned on. For example, English, right? And then you will see three options how you want to add subtitles or closed captions to this video. You want to upload your own file, for example, like if you have it in a Word document, it's ready, or you want to transcribe and auto sync. So there's a window which will pop up and you will start writing your subtitle. Or there's the third option. It's called create new subtitles or closed captions. In my opinion, it's the easiest one, and it will save you much time, because actually all the subtitles will be generated by YouTube automatically. But the downside is that the subtitles may not be precise and accurate as you want them to be. There can be some mistakes, and they for sure will be, because YouTube cannot recognize all the words. So you can just correct some mistakes, but all in all, I mean, like maybe 70% or 60% of the job YouTube does great. So you click on that, and actually now you don't see anything on the left and on the right. You don't see any subtitles, but in your case you will have, if there's somebody who is speaking on the video, and there must be a person who will say something, right? You will have some words on the right side and on the left side. But as I already closed captioned my video, now I don't see anything in here, but we can try to do something else. So the very first time when I closed captioned my video, it was in Spanish, so I saved it in Spanish. So if I click this button, yeah, so here we go. We see that on the left and on the right we have subtitles, which you can change. They will automatically be generated by YouTube, as I have already mentioned before, and you can just change and adapt them the way you want. You can adapt the timing. Here, for example, you can drag everything. Basically, you can reduce the size of the letters and yeah. So basically, this is it. You make all the necessary changes on the left, either on the right. I think you will use both of them. Yeah, this is basically it. The main thing is to correspond what is being said on the video with what is written on the left or on the right, because as I said already, YouTube does some mistakes. So After everything is good, you made all the necessary changes and you corrected mistakes and spelling. Now you need to click on Actions button. And here you need to download closed captions in VTT or SRT or SBV format. But I heard that it's better to download it in SRT or SBV format. Last time when I downloaded captions, I downloaded them in SBV, so I recommend you to do the same. Yeah, so as you can see, they are downloaded in here. They will not be open, okay, because it's not that type of program where it should be open. So let's leave it as it is. Okay, we don't need this window. And now the next step is that you need to go to Vimeo. Um, anything that every online platform like that, like Vimeo or anything like where you can upload your videos, it has settings. It must have settings where you can just download or create closed captions. So here we have our video already. It's downloaded already. But in your case, if it's fresh new video, you need to click this button upload first, and here you choose the file and also set the privacy, and that's it basically. Okay, so my video is ready and we need to go to the settings. So here we need to choose advanced here on the left side, and after that we need to choose a file. So choose a file, it means that we need to choose captions that we just downloaded from YouTube in SBV format. So when you choose a file, you are going to this traditional window and then you just download it. So as you can see, in my case, I already downloaded two captions, captions in Spanish and captions in English. You can activate them or deactivate it, it's up to you. So I activated captions 3 English and I turn it on, and captions 2 are in off mode because I don't want to use them. So and after you choose captions, yeah, you turn it on. I don't know, if you want you can add photos, so it's up to you. It's like some additional options, and after that you click save. But here you see that it cannot be saved in my case because it's already saved. So yeah, you click save and then you go back to the video, and here you see close captions button, which is on the right here, and it's activated because it's blue, but you can choose it to be like deactivated. You can deactivate it and you will not see anything on the screen. You will not see anything in the video. So speakers will say, but you will not see anything. But if you activate it and you choose English, for example, you will see that some words appear on the screen, and this is your closed captions. So yeah, this is basically it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, if you need any help, you can write to me in comments, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.